and me, fee, one bag of people come and yo, stop. Nobody with it. Waste girl, your mother come waste girl. Like, listen, you can't call me waste girl and you not live now. But anyway, I would pray his cockroach mother of any mind. I would not never pay Jake's cockroach mother for mine. Cause she's strictly cockroach. And I wouldn't say drunker to me, not hummingbird. Cause she's a drunker when she... You know you trigger me off. You know what you do for me in the morning. You come, you know what you're doing in the morning. You came at the yard in the night when I clean up. In the evening. Cause my sister stay come in the room. I'm so when the same just pass us out. How far him come in here? So you are buying time.
So no girl. Dirty Rose, I can't feed my mother. My mother not hungry. Every time she come to Jamaica, she come with things to give away and blood clot sell dirty girl. Member good. Member good. Always she suffer. She remember 1 and 2 people where she did have near and dear. Member. And all of who you did have near and there, you throw them back like hog seed. Cause you feel like you're there somewhere. What a way when social media drop you, cause the same man where you pass and the way going up and the same man you pass and the way going.
Mix Up and Things channel. Full video upon my Mix Up and Things channel. Yeah. Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if middle upon the beat, and as you can see upon the screen, Rosealee is finally responding to her godmother, yes, and the grandmother of her children. So I know that sounds confusing, my people, but it is what it is. It's a master. Rosealee is basically fed up and frustrated, and reality is sinking in that her helper, her baggy washer, her lover, is finally leaving, after 12 years. It's a must say, she doesn't like that too much. Because, say, AKEEM, no one, nothing for deal with her, what, good up, it's a must say. So, a lot of frustration is sinking in, and, all of these episodes that she's putting out, it's not a good look on her, the court is probably going to want to hold on to the youths them a little bit longer because the adults in their life seem to be toxic, even though some of these scenarios are, provoked. But at the same time, the kids them need to be safe. And she's going to have to go through a lot of court counseling things or possibly supervision before them allow them to be around her fully. Because, this is an ongoing investigation. So this is basically an open case and a bare misbehaving Aguan, the same type of behavior that got the thing them took. So, I know she's trying to plead her case out here, but this is not even a child custody case. You see what I'm saying? Meaning like a father get them or a mother get them. You see what I said? Primary and all of these things. You see what I said? This is just to get the youths them out of the system. Right? And for some reason, them feel like this is a custody battle. But me just want to give you a little bit of my point of view before we hear what I go on for that to go on. You see me? So that's like, I can share the video from now on our social media platforms. It's
For them, I eventually hear what me I say. Me not attack you. When me having my weapon, because I know you like to attack people. And these are the things that is here. You trigger me, me no want you around me. I'm come tell the world no beat me, come and beat me, because I'm a human being, me an animal. Me a hog. What more can I bear? What more am I taking a life from people? Me not get no strength. What more am I do? This man need to leave. What me attack this man to leave for? It's who attack who now? Me leave me and come back on my Airbnb when me there. I gone over me yard and terrorize who live there? No. So who no want to leave? And I got to tell my mother, say, you can't check quack or you catch it short. A station, come tell I got a station from last time, I know. When I come on social media, When I come on social media and I tell social media that I don't want jakes, you know, laugh at me and turn the situation into something that like Mr. Mascot and Mr. Fool. And when I come on social media and I say to you guys that I don't want jakes, you know, put up memes and put up all that type of things as if something is wrong with me, or no man no want me, or me a left man, or this and that and that. I know Jakes, I know Andrew Beckford, I know Andrew Garcia Bartholomew Beckford. Him no rest. I want to say Andrew Garcia Bartholomew Beckford no rest. Him come like a wandering spirit. He doesn't rest. Him not have no abiding city. Him don't know when for done. Him don't know when for stop. And him don't know when for chill. He's when him come on the net, he's only put on a persona for gift. Why I need to leave my environment to prove you? So Jakes, I Seaview done. Yeah, Seaview done. Why you your mama terrorize my mama? We don't class each other already, as you can see yesterday on the live, and I left and people over them yard peaceful. But you know why Jakes do this? Because I have no bad family. Because Jakes, if me have one brother, if you have one brother, one uncle, or one cousin, we are shatter, you would have think twice. I just because my stepfather is not that type of violent man. I'm also a female in my family. You pray for woman strength. Because me know you're not bad. You pray for people where you pray for people where you feel like say you can't come to them and never scroll up. You use your loud mouth and call down people. Because me know you're not bad. I regular me have to defend you. I know me did the mood run fire neither. You know action pack. That's why I'm go over there. That's why I'm go over there last night too. I'm go over there. Me don't go over there Sigland did. Cause you never did go lick me. It's so I'm go over there last night. You know I'm go over there Sigland did last night. You da run come lick me upon the live. I get a hype. But it's true me know you. Like how me know Jesus love the little children. Oh, the children in the world. Me never gonna face empty-handed. Me have to have a weapon. So as you rise, I pay. We gonna pay a quarter now. As you rise, I pay. Cause I'm never gonna make you lick me. I'm gonna lick you back. So when you see me with something, you start double cross and think. So before you lick me, you tell them turn the camera up on me. I was standing there. I never move. You can't play the mind game yourself. It's before you lick me, you turn camera up on me. And then that when turning the camera up on me is buying time for somebody to come hold on by you. And you know if you lick me, you know me I go juke you. So turn the camera on me. See, one bag of people come and yo, stop. Nobody with it. Waste girl, your mother come waste girl. Like listen, you can't call me waste girl, you not live now. But anyway, I would pray his cockroach mother of any mind. I would not never pay Jake's cockroach mother for mine. Cause she's strictly cockroach. And I wouldn't say drunker to me in a hummingbird. Cause she's a drunker when she master the only drunker would I never turn a hummingbird. The cure she beard. So I know exactly what you were doing last night, but I'm not afraid of the media. They can always bash me, they can always come and bring me down. I'm not afraid of the media. You know you trigger me off. You know what you do for me in the morning. You know what you're doing in the morning. You came at the yard in the night when I clean up in the evening. Cause my sister stay come in the room. I'm so when the same just pass us out. All far him come in here. So you are buying time. So I'm partly done now. I'm crack over me at a talk on my phone. You make sure come and click your live and over there like a match up like you're so innocent. You click the blood clot live yesterday. After you sleeping on my bed, you click your live, you do what you do. You come, you left a weird way where you come round me for trigger me off. And then when the art class, I'm end up leave. And you click your live and oh man, I'm paying a man, I'm this and that. You're still I attacked my parents them from last night. And you wake up 6 o'clock this morning, Jakes. Come on, you don't sleep. Forgot to attack the people them 6 o'clock this morning. We are running my mother with big stone for. I'm a sister. And I threaten the people them run the yard. Yeah, I threaten my sister. Yeah, I threaten my sister. Then look who one of my mother. Because they're females. It's woman strength to have. And you not stop. And they come on social media and play this cute, innocent persona like I am the aggressor. Use pure evil. You come on social media and paint the picture like I am the aggressor. And I'm me a trouble and I'm me a fast with you. And you are left me and me a crash out. I'm gonna have to tell the world, say 10,000 people there, so I'm out and say me attack them support and people at sense. How can I stop talking about this man when this man is not avoiding me? You see, I get a new apartment, you're moving, I get a new apartment. Me's a fair personal life, you know. There's some no jokes in my yard, you know. Who me tell? I tell Munchie. I tell Munchie. I tell Angela. I tell Diamond. I tell Munchie. I tell Angela. I tell Diamond. I tell Toto. I tell Spicy Kana. I tell Virgo. No, me I tell Uno pan TikTok. You say always see Jakes I do. Jakes been there my yard. Him not leave. So the come out, when him say I come out and this way him say this and that way him say that, him there my house. You know what him do 2 days ago? Him start the live cross the road. As when the live lock off, him find my bed. Him start the live out the road. And when the live lock off, him find my bed. A long time I don't want Jakes, you know. It's true, Jakes, I'm my baby father, and I know him in a predicament, yeah. And that's why I'm still sorry for him and have him around me. Because I know him not have nowhere to go. Because I hear mama come and chat in a class, she cannot put him up. She cannot put him up. And I swear to God. All they come and like, I'm a son, I'm here to defend my son, I'm here to have my son back. You can't have your son back when you can't put up your son. Use a croft, a mother that does not prepare somewhere for their kids is a croft. And that is the reason why someone I want to me a croft now. But I'm never gonna be a croft in the future because me I try to prepare somewhere for my kids. So them all like them father, them now turn wandering spirit per man and woman. So them have so many nicknames. Home can go home. All me around Jakes him now move because him now have nowhere to go. Why social media can't look on that and see that? It boy now know where to go. You make videos say you move out where you move go. How comes you wake up 6 o'clock this morning and tired the people run on me yard? How come mother for reach a station? Liar intervenes, Skydam intervene because we're not very enough. She better intervene because you're very enough too. We're not very enough. I like class. I want to speak true right and facts. Speak true right and facts. The girl your daughter you live, every day say you leave. How comes to reach back, run on the people yard and terrorize the people them? Me no like me, you know. Me no like me. But put away the hatred from me and speak the truth. Him say man move out. How come this morning 6 o'clock? Yeah, terrorize the people them and I got talk to them. If him can't catch me, him I gotta deal with them. But tell my mother say, you know, when the problem asks if a gunman, you should tell him yes. You should tell him yes. You shouldn't tell him no, tell him yes. Your class me a this, your mama class me last night. Your mama class me last night, dog ran. Okay then fine. Me this, me stink, me sour, me this. Batty man a fuck me this, that me shit up me this. Alright, okay then. Me no have no problem. Leave. And that's how I beg Jackson to leave. And it come like say before it sweet, it bitter. Me can't go home again. Never stay here more longer. Until me get the court order and some things start out. I can't go home. I can't leave. He's not leaving, you know. And then I move go somewhere else. Long as him know him, like if the kids are going to come around me, he's going to ask them and come terrorize me same way. No care where in the world I'm going to go. If you ever watch some movie with some woman, no care the man treat her but try to move on with her life, change her image, her name, her cut her ear. You watch a movie there with woman, when man treat them bad and them try to run for man. And I care them cut them ear, change them image, move, come off of the radio for months, years. Man still until I find her back. Because you don't want me to leave. And then me I leave your Jakes. And that's more social media say at this point that me I leave and then you I leave me. Because if you were leaving me, Jakes, my mother wouldn't have a gas station for you today. You wouldn't cut my stepfather Friday night and you can't get in my bed go fuck. If you were leaving me. And I'm crashing out. As we a porn star say, pan our life, that the man, when them Chevy, oh, she's leaving and she's crashing out. Chevy, you don't know shit. Chevy, I mean, no one Jakes. And Jakes now have nowhere for go. You can't help him neither. And the only person who can to help Jakes in the life are me. And you know one that leave him. No time. The only person who have Jakes back in her life was Rosealee. Him baby man, not even mama not care for him, so not even him granny. Me. And him don't want to lose that. Him not leaving. And you see if me take a restraining order, it was. Let me get rid of Jakes. No for sure. No, me let me all of my move, me can't get rid of me can't get rid of Jakes. I can't get rid of him. Jakes is like a virus infested in your blood. They cure my medication I take a can. What me can't get rid of Jakes chat? And that's why I've been avoid me hard. Me can't get rid of Jakes. You come and say you don't want me, you come and say you don't want me, and you come and say you move out. So why you come and say you don't want me, you come here and you say you move out, fine. Why you terrorize the people around my yard? Because what? Them locked you out last night. I locked my door with my bed. And I told my mom to lock the grill, so you locked out. So you're rotten mouth, mama. We'll come over here with our chimney mouth. What the pan, and can't put you up. Me have to lie upon you. Me have to lie upon you. Your rotten mouth mama come and upon live and chat up. Can't put you up. Because she 100% cruff. She not secure no in her life if you are pitney. She only secure some if you are belly, her hole and her head. That's all master care about. And we know this. And when I come on social media and I talk about these things, you say me a liar. I mean, I'm going to need proof to talk out of my mouth. The only thing Jake's mama secure in her life is her stomach for lay her head, something for yam, and her big pussy for fuck out her. Master don't want two good pair of slippers. Master don't own too good furniture. Master don't own an account. So she come back social media classmate, so she look. The teeth lick out, the tongue one brush. The wall of them out white and soddy. Like people have epilepsy. And the ear one comb. You come and see a difference and take in your son. If I was defending Barbar from a female who don't want him anymore, me I move him from around her. You say me a waste girl, but you see your son now have no. Me a waste girl and you a good girl and you can't put up your son. And the waste girl have to put up your son. Because you don't want my kindness to weakness. You near me out and him near me out too. And none of that. That done with. You come on social media laughing at her, but oh, your son never chop me alive, me I tell. See the chop here? See it here. 17 stitches inside out. The video said 18, whenever I edit it back. At 17 stitches inside out. See it here? This is what me and the girl man fight. This is the cut. This is the girl we are talking about the cut and her man. See the cut here. This is how your son doing. Who I lied, man, see? Me or no? Me or no? You can't do ear and look for your ear. You don't even tidy for big man. You don't even tidy for big man. Same as when you wake up out of your bed and say you come out the street. I'm not gonna argue with you, you know, because I know you're nothing. I don't waste my time on people on my feed. I tell you that already, because you can't class me. Because all of who you try class I live better than you. Go back, go get your son a bed. Your son over here around by a bed. By a bed. Your son over here rank. Buy rum, pay a man, start cap the black them. Me case and cap the black them. Me case and me that me say me was a son. Me that me case and cap the black them. Me case and classic. Me case and cast it. Put one ply right and do away the song and lie down on my unfinished building. How some people live, how some people start from scratch. You can't want each up on me and depend on me all the while for shelter you. You don't want to put a foot forward. It's a craft. When you start from scratch, you start anyway, not anyway life take you. Whether you want homeless, bedless, footless, handless, teethless. As you start from scratch. And when you improve, you will look at your improvement and say, thank you, Father God. Come here, start from scratch, going zero. Jakes don't want to start from scratch. Jakes want to sleep out my bed, fuck up my wall for free, spend my money same way, and have me a beat. You see, you move out, you get no up, you video the roach straw where your clothes come out. Video my passport, my dildo in the drawer. You say you move out. If you move out, how come you reach me at 6 o'clock this morning and terrorize the people them? Because if them don't like you long time, because you're very violent, and your kids are not home and I'm not home, so they don't want you there because you don't have no need to be there because your name is not family. You go like at your house. Nobody can't tell you what to do.
Yeah, crazy situation. If you want to hear a little bit more what the mother had to say, go up on my Mix-Up and Things channel. And if you didn't take the time to press pause and read what the sender was sending me about Rosealee and AKEEM and the whole deal that you say transpired in the first 48 hours, only can press pause now and read it out for yourself. It's and say if you and the sender agree or disagree. I say, master, my people, you know, sir, to keep things locked, you know, because I got to drop some more review, yeah, in the night, yeah. So do the right thing. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell and press all. He said, master, therefore, you'll be notified whenever we drop the latest in dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.